Hi everyone, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies. In this video, I'll show you how I made this beautiful fall-themed mason jar cookie with royal icing roses and chrysanthemums. Start out by icing a mason jar cookie with white flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3. This icing is 15 to 20 second count. If you want to learn more about it, you can watch my online class called Royal Icing 101. I've put a link in the description. And then use a Scribe tool to help shape the icing. At this point, you'll want to let the icing dry for about an hour. Ice the lid of the jar with dark blue flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 2. This color is a combination of royal blue and black. And again, use the Scribe tool to help shape the icing. Pipe white dots with flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 1 while the blue icing is still wet. Allow the icing to dry overnight. You can move on to making the royal icing flowers while you wait for the icing to dry. Paint the mason jar with food coloring mixed with vodka, grain alcohol, or any flavor extract. Start with yellow at the top and pink on the bottom. Since I accidentally got some of the food coloring on the cookie, I'm just going with it and I'm applying it to the rest of the cookie. And then you'll blend the colors in the middle. Allow this base layer of paint to dry. This should only take a few minutes. Mix black powdered food coloring with vodka to paint a fall scene. I'm using powdered food coloring for this because when you use liquid food coloring, it tends to separate and turn green. And I just switched to a really fine tip brush to paint the trees. See the description for a link to these brushes that I'm using. As you can see, I'm doing this freehand, but I always have a reference image next to me as I'm painting. Pipe lace trim under the lid of the jar with dark blue flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 1. This is the same icing that I used to pipe the lid with the polka dots. Attach a parchment paper square to a flower nail. Pipe roses with pink stiff consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 101. This color is rose pink with a little bit of golden yellow. Pipe a chrysanthemum with golden yellow stiff consistency icing and a decorating tip 59S. This is a small curved petal tip. I made this color by mixing golden yellow and lemon yellow. Allow the flowers to dry overnight. Paint the chrysanthemums with golden yellow and rose pink food coloring mixed with vodka. You can also use any flavor extract like vanilla, lemon, or almond. Paint the flowers so that the color is concentrated in the center. And then very lightly paint the outer petals. Empty the remaining yellow and pink icing into a container and add forest green food coloring. This is what we'll use to pipe the leaves on the flowers. Attach the flowers to small round cookies with the green stiff consistency icing. Pipe leaves around the flowers with the tip 352. Once the leaves are dry, you can package them up or arrange them on a platter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or if you have a suggestion for a future video, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!